Hey beautiful souls, I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video, we are making an absolutely, definitely delicious seafood pasta. All right, so let's get into the recipe. We have some butter in a pot. Let that melt. And then you're gonna go ahead and add some chopped onions. Saute that for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of flour to my onions. I'm making a very quick roux. This is a very fast recipe, all right? Make it a very quick roux. Just go ahead and mix that up, and then I'm gonna start slowly adding in some heavy cream. Now, I was making this not just for my family and my household, but also for my brother's family, so I wanted to make a nice big pot of it, all right? I should have bought two cartons of heavy cream, but I only bought one, so I did have to substitute with a little water later on. But anywho, now I'm going in with some bell peppers. I'm using regular spaghetti noodles, boiling that in salted water. I'm going in with my green bell pepper and a little water. I'm using that as a substitute because I don't have any more heavy cream. If you have milk or more heavy cream, go ahead and use that. I'm going in with my tomato, give that a mix. Then, of course, some scallions. This is going to be very flavorful. They loved it. Everybody enjoyed it. It was creamy, it was cheesy. The seafood was tender. It was delicious. Now I'm just seasoning my seafood. I have black pepper. I have all-purpose seasoning. We have paprika, garlic powder, oregano, allspice. And yeah, give that a good mix. All right, back to our cheese sauce, we're adding some spinach. I added a good amount of spinach to this. Not really a cheese sauce. It's really a cream sauce that has cheese in it. And this was so good. The spinach was such a nice touch. Such a nice touch. We got home, my mother was like, did you bring home some for us? She's like, do you have any more of that spaghetti? It did come out really good though. This creamy seafood spaghetti. All right, I'm adding some oregano to the pot. I'm adding some garlic powder, some ground black pepper. What I love about this, you can add whatever flavors you want to add. Some seasoning salt, some paprika. Give that a mix. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning that has lots of herbs in it, this complete seasoning. And I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. Yeah, but whatever flavor combinations you want to try with this, give it a try. All right, whatever vegetables you want to add, just have fun with it. And I'm adding some cayenne. And then here I am adding in some mussels. Adding in more cheese. This is an aged Italian blend. It has mozzarella and Parmesan, I believe. And these are the mussels that I'm using. They're the white wine mussels from ShopRite. And right now they're on sale for $3.99. That is such a good price. Yes, it is. All right, and now we're going to put some cilantro. One of my faves. And then here I'm going in with the shrimp. Such an easy recipe, y'all. This was a very fast recipe. I wasn't going to add Scotch bonnet, but I said, who am I? Who am I kidding? I want my Scotch bonnet in there. All right, you don't need this to stay on much longer. Once you add the shrimp, you don't want the shrimp to be hard. I transferred it to a bigger pot because I'm bringing this whole thing over to my brother's house. So yeah, I just put some spaghetti and some of the cream sauce with some mussels and shrimp in a bowl. Tossed it up a bit, and now I'm going to plate up. One of my favorite parts of cooking. And of course, some of the mussels wanted to be disobedient and not open. But this is how we have it. Garnished with a little bit of cilantro. Creamy seafood pasta. Absolutely delicious. The sauce, the way the sauce coats the shrimp and the mussels. Then you could take the mussels and dip it back into the sauce. Just absolutely delicious. I hope and pray that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. God bless you all and peace.